Teach me Urhobo. Teach me Urhobo. Teach me Urhobo. Oh yeah, mama. I'm not ready. I want to teach you now. These are 3 common things you should know in Urhobo as an Urhobo girl or Urhobo boy. Every time I know sabi. You cannot say ordinary small things in Urhobo. Now come here. If you want to greet your elders in Urhobo, what do you say? You say Mingwo or Meringwe. That's what you say. I'm on my knees. So you say Meringwe or Mingwo. Now say it. Mingwo. Say it where? Good. Now, if you want to say thank you in Urhobo, what do you say? Olodo. You cannot say it. Weko birwo. Weko birwo. That's what you say. If someone do anything for you and you want to tell the person thank you, you say weko birwo. Now say it. Say it. Good. Now, if you want to say come in Urhobo, what do you say? Olodo. You cannot say it. Mo or nyare or mo. Anyone that you can say. I know it's more. Say it. I know it's more that you're going to say because more is very, very simple. Mo, come, mo or nyare. Okay? Now those are the 3 simple things you can learn from me today. I'm not be me saying you not learn Urhobo growing up. Yes. So now when I go teach you now. If you want more, you follow, you like and share so that I will drop more Urhobo videos for you that you will learn. Yes. You're not going to force me. I'm going to do it when I'm ready.